Hello, hi, Vanakkam, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm perfectly perfect with me, Pavitra. This video is all about gonna be a face mask, that is charcoal face mask. To be very specific, I'm gonna speak about this particular product that is from the L'Oreal Paris charcoal face mask. So to know whether this product suits our skin, that is the sensitive skin, acne prone skin, combination skin or not, then you have to keep watching the video completely. In this video, I'll be discussing all these points one by one. So before discussing the points, let me speak about the acne first. Yeah, many reasons for acne to develop in a person. It can be like the hormonal issues or clogging of pores or usage of incorrect makeup products, anything. To one of the reason, that is one of the reason is clogging of pores. What makes the pores to get clogged is when there is dirt, when your skin is exposed to dirt, pollution, or excess of sebum, that is the oil production. So this all or the bacteria, this is all the reason for your pores to get clogged. So once the pore is clogged, that might lead to the development of the acne, and acne will lead to development of the blemishes, acne scars, and so on. So finding a right product when it comes to sensitive skin or acne prone skin is definitely a very tough task. As I say in all my videos, a proper research is definitely a must when it comes before selecting the right skincare products, and that is what I did before selecting this product. And I did face a very good result, and that is what made me to do this video, because whenever there is a video from the person who is actually undergoing all these issues, it will be more convincing as a viewers for you people to get connected or understand whether the product actually works or not, whether to invest on the product or not, because the products are not we don't get it for free of cost, right? We have to pay. So let it be 200 300 bucks, whatever, but it's still a money. So before investing on the product, it's better it's better when we get to know whether the product suits or works our skin or not. Before speaking about this product completely in the video, I would like to speak about the main primary ingredient in this product, that is the charcoal. Charcoal is believed in the beauty industry that it helps your skin in exfoliating or removing the dead skin cells, excess of oils and dirt or pollutions. That is, it mainly helps your skin in exfoliating, and it helps even making your skin to look fresh. And sometimes some mask helps in improving your complexion as well. Now let us discuss all the points one by one. So first point is the price. This product is available, RP of the product is 750, but now offer is going on. You can find offers available on all the sites, that is they are giving some 30% of offer, that is you can get the product now at 525 on all the sites, starting ranging from Nike, Amazon or Myntra. Anyway, you will be able to find get this product at 525 now. This product is bit costly when you compare with other brand, especially like Wow product. Wow charcoal face mask is available for 360, and Mamaearth product is for some 522 you get it, and Nykaa charcoal face mask you get it some around some 509. So when you compare with other brands, you will find this product to be a bit more costlier than the other products in the price range. The second point is side effects. There is no any much side effects after using this product, but it's better to be but it's better and recommended to use only once in a week, because excess of usage might lead to dryness. So in order to avoid that one, it is totally recommended to use once in a week. And the next point is pros, that is the plus points of this product. As I said, it helps in exfoliating your skin, and it even improves the skin complexion as well, that I personally experienced after using this product. And the next point is whether it suits acne prone skin or not. One thing guys, I'm using this product from last some 2-3 months. I never face any acne issues after using this product especially. So definitely I will be telling that it will definitely be a holy grail product for people who fall under acne prone skin, sensitive skin. But I would totally recommend for you guys to do a patch test, that is to apply it on the jaw area or on the elbow, and watch it for some 24 to 48 hours and see if there are any side effects, redness or something kind of irritations appearing on the skin. So if you get any some kind of irritation and redness and all, then definitely please do not use this product. So please do a patch test and then use it. Since I'm using this product from 2-3 months and I did not face any issues, so totally I will be recommending, but before still I will but still I will also suggest you guys to do a patch test also. The next point is how to use and number of times to use. You have to use it, how to use it, just like apply it on the entire face, not getting close to your eyes, and leave it on your face for some 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Wash it off, and not in a cold water, chill water, just wash it off from the lukewarm water, and that is how the use. And number of times is it is recommended to use once in a week. As I said, excess of usage like 2-3 times in a week might lead to dryness in your skin. So to avoid that, it's recommended to use once in a week. I spoke about all this product before applying the product on my face, because once I apply this on my skin, I should not be doing like I should not be interacting or do some facial expressions and all. It's usually recommended when we put mask on our face. So now I'll be applying it on my face, and before that let me tie my hair first. I tied my hair back. So before applying, make sure your face is completely cleansed and do not even apply moisturizer or anything. I have cleansed my face and I have not applied moisturizer. So this is my bare face and I haven't applied anything till now. So, and this is how the product packaging is. It comes in a very sleek container, something like this, and 50 grams is available for 755. The MRP price is 750, but in the offer you get it for 525 right now and on all the sites. So before applying this on my face, I would like to speak on one more thing, that is like please do not get a peel off mask, because when you put heavy pressure when you peeling it off from your skin after some time of application, that will seriously irritate your skin, and that will also lead to the development of the acne. So if you fall under acne prone skin, it is recommended to get something like this creamy texture where you can easily wash it off from the skin instead of a peel off mask. This has actually got some kind of a smell and I'm actually liking it also. Not that very bad. Applying on the neck is up to you, up to your choice whether, because I usually do not apply it on the neck, I just apply it on my face. Once after washing my face, I usually put some rose water on my face and then go with the moisturizer. The day you apply this face mask, usually you will feel that your face is a bit dull. It happens not only with this mask, any mask or you get a facial done at salon. The day you get it done, the procedure, you will feel that your skin actually looks dull. But the actual result or difference you'll be noticing from the second or the third day. So once you wake up the next morning, you will definitely feel some good experience. Do not expect drastic change on the first try itself. You have to keep using this product, that is for 1-2 months. For completely this product gets over, you at the end of the stage this product gets over, you'll be able to feel some good change. I did I did feel my complexion getting improving, but I didn't choose this product based on that reason, because because I literally love being with my own skin color, that is being dark. The main reason I got this because for exfoliating I need some product, and I did try this product and it did work wonder for me. So I just thought of sharing this product. Now I'll be applying moisturizer. For that I'm using Cetaphil one. Usually what I do is, especially when I get stubborn acne, that too, especially those big acne are not just growing off my skin from some 2-3 weeks, what I do is then I apply this on my face. So I just see some change after some 2-3 days. Those acne will actually go down. So definitely this is a must try product. So this is definitely a good product and a must try for all those acne prone skin girls. I hope my channel will be useful for all the acne prone skin, sensitive skin girls, because you will get to know what kind of a products will be suiting your skin or not. And if you feel like sending some love, support, and if you literally like this video, then do hit like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all guys in the next video. Until then, bye, see ya.